Hi, my name is Eugene Duplitsky, and this is a demo of the KnishKits e-commerce framework built by the Knish.io team and intended to leverage the Knish.io distributed ledger platform as a way to rapidly iterate and deploy e-commerce marketplaces that can serve local communities as well as larger national brands for the sale of goods, services, and digital assets, including NFTs. The first step to taking advantage of KnishKits is to register or log into an existing account. This can be easily accomplished through the login dialog, where we support a number of distinct login and registration options, including social media, traditional email and password, as well as MetaMask, allowing you to authenticate or log in with an Ethereum wallet. And no information about your private identity on any of the external networks, nor your email and password combination are ever sent outside of your machine. In fact, all the mechanisms provided are designed to keep your private data secure. The only field that does get sent externally is going to be this random animal nickname that identifies you on the Knish.io ledger. Once a user is authenticated into their Knish.io decentralized identity, they're able to take advantage of a number of KnishKits features, such as the ability to browse a decentralized marketplace, where you can navigate different categories that are established by the anchor institution running each respective marketplace. Inside each category, you have stores listed with which users can interact to view their respective product catalog and display products in a grid like this or in rows, making it very simple to navigate and find what you're looking for. Users can easily add products to their favorites. They can share them with their friends, and they can view a preview of the product where you can also view different screenshots and description information. Products can be easily added to the cart, and users can also navigate into the full product view, allowing them to observe extended metadata about the product, as well as view the reviews that have been submitted by other purchasers. Now, each review is specifically tied to a purchase, so fake reviews will hopefully be mitigated by this mechanism. Now, once products are in your cart, you can observe them from the header by clicking on the shopping cart button. And when users proceed to checkout, they can leverage all the standard arrangements of payment mechanisms that the anchor institution wishes to integrate, such as PayPal, Stripe, Authorize.net, and others, as well as cryptocurrency payments. Now, because KnishKits is designed to help marketplaces operate in a decentralized way, WishKnish does not touch a penny of the funds collected through this system. In fact, 100% of the money goes straight to the anchor institution, which can then distribute it to its merchants and can then decide if they want to implement the commission structure or a subscription mechanism for their respective merchants. So we do not take a penny of that, in contrast to something like Amazon, where merchants could be paying anywhere from 15 to 70% of their sales for the privilege of being listed. So in addition to the products and the checkout flow, users also have access to a dashboard within the KnishKits UX, which enables them to access a number of local resources that can be established by the anchor institution. This can include links to various tools and services provided by that group, or to external resources as well, and can serve as a home base for the users as they function within their respective KnishKits white label. This is also where users can manage their favorites that can include both products, stores, and also resources from the dashboard. So really lots of different ways to customize your browsing experience. And because we are following an integrated referral system, each user is an affiliate by default. That means that they can invite other users to participate within the KnishKits ecosystem. This includes both regular shoppers as well as stores that can be launched within the platform. And commissions can be then shared with these users. This is also where they can manage their purchasing activity for referred items as well as the payouts. So for full transparency, the process is exposed to every stakeholder. KnishKits also provides access to an encrypted mailbox that enables users to exchange secure messages, which are also anonymous between one another, and typically used for receiving support for product purchases. This is where you can also manage your order history. Your order widgets like this include both the list of products that have been purchased within a single order, from where you can write a review about the product that you have purchased. This is also from where you can contact a specific merchant about your order, making the process of getting help very, very simple. In addition, you can easily add the product to your cart with a single click if you want to buy another one. And of course, if there's any issue with an order, you can easily create a dispute by choosing which items you have a problem with and describing the resolution that you wish to receive. This is where you can manage your dispute history, as well as provide any additional information that may be necessary to fulfill the dispute requirements. And for products and services that are time-based, such as different types of subscriptions as well as events, there's a calendar widget that enables you to see upcoming events that you have booked through KnishKits. Now let's take a look at the administrator dashboard. Now, admins have access to a number of different resources within KnishKits, from managing of the users that are registering within the platform, which you can see is really anonymous users. They all have anonymous nicknames, to managing the stores that are incoming. Now, the way store onboarding works is that stores first propose themselves to be listed in the marketplace. They will appear in the proposed stores listing. Next, the administrator approves a particular store that has been requesting access, and they get listed along with the other stores. Now, store management can also be done by the admin, so you can easily import stores yourself as an administrator simply by filling out some basic fields about the store, as well as the categories in which they will be listed. And stores can also be edited after the fact by the administrator, enabling very simple management of these listings. Now, as a store administrator, you're able to manage your order flow, which changes the state from pending, which is when payment is first received, to ready to ship, when the merchant has marked that they're preparing the shipment, finally shipped, and then delivered. The flow of these different stages of ordering can happen manually or automatically, depending on the type of integration we're pursuing. And the product catalog itself can be easily managed, including importing manifests of products through a CSV file, for example. This is where merchants can manage their reviews that are coming in. Reviews can be approved or rejected, and the ability to do so can be potentially deactivated by the anchor institution, depending on their policies. If an administrator requires additional help managing their store, they can do so through the roles function, allowing them to nominate another administrator through the system. Stores are also able to support different types of schedules that enable them to allow for booking of different schedule-based services, such as appointments. And you can set different types of schedules for different types of products. And it can also support overbooking if necessary. Now, in addition to stores, administrators can also manage the category structure of KnishKits. This is where they can move different categories around in a very friendly point-and-click fashion. They can also edit categories that are editable. Some categories are not editable because they are static or hard-coded into the respective marketplace, and this can be defined by the anchor institution depending on their requirements. And you can easily create a new category simply by filling out some basic fields. Administrators have access to the order flow just like a merchant does. So you can see what kind of activity you're getting within your marketplace, which stores are getting sales, and where the orders are intended to go. As a delivery manager role, which is another capability of KnishKits, you're able to also view deliveries that you yourself intend to deliver, meaning that users in this role are able to take advantage of peer-to-peer last mile delivery. They're able to claim orders that are open and deliver them themselves to the recipient, marking the order as delivered. This helps with last mile delivery across communities and helps also reduce the carbon footprint of larger delivery enterprises. Now, KnishKits administrators can also manage the disputes that their merchants are escalating to the administrator. If a merchant is unable to help a customer, they can ask the administrator of the anchor institution for help managing that process. And this is where this takes place. So this is KnishKits in a nutshell. I will be happy to answer any questions you may have. Thank you.